So Akan has certain unique sounds that quite often you hear non-natives and other late learners struggle to pronounce correctly. Knowing the right way of pronouncing these basic sounds will help speed up the learning process. You've come across some of these, haven't you? These will be our focus for today's lesson, Lesson 2 of the Twi Grammar course. My name is Yao, and today we are looking at Twi Digraphs and Diphthongs. For the text version of this lesson, you may visit www.learnakan.com. The lesson is in two parts. In the first part, we will look at the consonant digraphs we have in Twi. Then, we end the lesson with Twi Diphthongs. Just like we did with lesson 1, we will give at least one word example for each digraph and diphthong. So, if you are ready, let's begin with the consonant digraphs. What is a digraph? A digraph is a group of two successive letters that represent a single sound. The key words here are successive letters and single sound. So, to have a digraph, two letters, and I mean letters, not sounds, must combine without any intervening letter or letters to form a single sound. Examples of consonant digraphs in English include the PH in the word digraph, the TH in the word path, and the CH in the word chin. Examples of vowel digraphs in English include the IE in the word peace, the EE in the word free, and the OO in the word cool. Okay, let me not bore you any further. On to some examples. We start with J, formed by the letters G and Y. J, 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 Jai, 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 Sh, A, Fa, She, Afashe, Afashe, She, 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 Ch, Chi, Nie, Chinie, Chinie, Chi, 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 Ny, Nyin, Sein, Nyin Sein, Nyin Sein, Nyan, Sa, Nyansa, Nyansa, Mwa, 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 Mwansna, 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 Ju, Jonso, 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 Ju, Ma, Ejuma, Ejuma, Ch, Chi, 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 Re, Tre, Tre, Tre. For the final part of the lesson, let's look at diphthongs. A diphthong is a sound formed by the combination of two vowel sounds in a single syllable. And the key words here are vowel sounds and single syllable. So, we are no more dealing with letters combining to form a sound as with digraphs. We are now dealing with sounds in single syllables formed by the combination of two vowel sounds. Let's look at some English examples of diphthongs. The sound oi in the word coin is one such example of diphthong in English. The sound ow in the English word loud is another example. Again, the sound I in the word side is an example of diphthong in English. I hope this is clear, that you can now distinguish between digraphs and diphthongs. Good. Now, let's look at some Twi diphthongs and their respective word examples. Ie, e, fie, ifie, ifie, tie, 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 ia, o, wia, o, wia, uya, uya, pia, 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 ue, bue, bue, pue, 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 o, bo, mo, fuo, obomofuo, obomofuo, a, dam, fuo, adamfuo, adamfuo, ow, a, cow, a cow, a cow, o, a, poo, bo, a poo bo, a poo bo, ko, bi, kobi, kobi, e, p, 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 me, 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 e, p, t, pity, pity, o, wia, ke, te, uya kete, uya kete, uo, e, fuo, efu, efu, e, ku, eku, eku, ie, fie, 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 nie, ma, niema, niema, ei, yei, 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 chei, chei, chei. This is where we end today's lesson. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, liking our Facebook page, and subscribing to our blog www.learnakan.com. See you in our next class. Thank you.